We have just 6 weeks to take 11 trucks from this to this. So follow along behind the scenes and watch Aardvark make it happen. Puma's agency hired Aardvark to put together 11 trucks that will reveal all of the cool jerseys from countries all over the world that will be competing in this summer's World Cup here in the United States. This isn't my vision, this isn't Aardvark's vision. This is our client's vision and the brand's vision. And somebody needs to understand how to translate that into an amazing finished product.
Mitch from Dayon had originally reached out in the beginning of January saying he had a really weird request and needed to see if we could accommodate. So when he came to me, he's like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to handle this, but we need like 15 vehicles and it's gonna be in a very short turn of time and it's gonna have all of these moving parts. And I'm like, yeah, this is our sweet spot. This is what we're good at.
We say 11 trucks, but every truck's different. Different graphics wrap, different interior, different materials. We had design engineering involved. We had our creative team involved. We're literally on calls every single day with the client, updating them, showing them. This is a big project, and you need a company that is sophisticated enough to pull it all together. They want it to look like this was like a food truck or a store in Portugal or New Zealand or wherever that's been used for many years. So this, we are scenic treating the aluminum to make it look like it's been here for a really long time. So like all those little extra attention to detail things we bring to life. Anybody could just put this up there, but scenic treat it to make it look like it's been there for a long time. The detail.
When we really broke it down, we simplified the design elements to be standardized throughout all the trucks in a way that still made them feel unique.
This is my favorite part of this job, especially because we have creative here and then we have fabrication and then activation and you get to see it. It's just a feeling that you can't describe.
For me personally, as well as I think for this company, is being able to witness and watch and experience people's engagement and interaction with the things that we build here. Seeing their engagement and seeing the client also watching them engage with their product is really cool.
We got 11 trucks up and ready to run for the big jersey reveal for these 11 countries for World Cup and FIFA 2026. It was a tough build, but our team pulled together. They got it done. We got here on time. It looks amazing, and most importantly, our client is super happy. Plock. You ever hear of Plock? Aardvark's secret sauce. Plan, lead, organize, control. Right? You need to have a great plan. You have to have good leadership. You have to be organized, and you have to have tight controls in order to make sure that our client's vision comes to life. We focus on what's in front of us. We also focus on what the end result's going to be, and we never miss. And that's how it's done. When you need it done right, call Aardvark Studios.